We were always interested in doing something with the community. The Bewley Center had a small budget. We started with attaching all the acoustic treatments. We installed the basic signal flow. The program overall is running as an immersive learning project, so it's student-driven.
Here, make them line up there. Let me show you something cool. Roll this loop back.
This is an after-school program. Basically, we just kind of teach them the ins and outs of audio production with a little bit of music theory sprinkled in.
We've gone through what the parts of a song are. We've worked on some of the rhythmic aspects. What is a beat? Why do you need a beat?
They already have just like a natural music talent and ability and like affinity for it.
I like it here because instead of us doing it by ourselves, we got somebody that can like correct us.
Working with Ali has been really great. He'll come in and he'll be like, oh, I have this song I want to show you. Like, it has this really cool part in it. Can we do something like that?
You can play like any other white notes, but like make sure to get those too.
What we're trying to do here is just really help people express themselves.
It's really easy to just throw money at something and say, here's the gear, enjoy. But I think it was much more important that we're also out here.
The biggest impact I think is on the kids, but it's on everyone involved. Every day I realize how lucky I am to be in the music program. It's just such a great opportunity to be a part of.
One of my goals in my future is to help people make music because some great teachers in Ball State helped me out and taught me how to do this, so I can probably teach you how to do a lot of things that you probably didn't know about. But I'm glad I got this opportunity to do this.
To be able to see right there in front of me that I'm making a difference, it's the best feeling ever.